Recording.
Yeah. Okay. Here, what is that? The package is what? 10 lakh. 10 lakh, right? Another one is what? Another profile also. Let's copy this one. Okay. Another one is what? P2, right? Here, what? P3. P3 is there. Here, what? 11 and 12. And P, what is that? PTH. Let's take PTH. ID is what? PTH. And what? 8 years of experience, right?
8.0.
Yes, 8.0. Good. 8.0 and what is that? 12.
12.0.
12.0. 12 lakh. Okay. 12 lakh packages are there. Good. So these three profiles are there now. Okay. So what we will do now? We will save these profiles, right? We will save this profile. What is that? Save. Save. Here, what is that? P1. Okay. Here, what? P1 is there. Good. P2. Okay. Here, what? P2 is there. Here, what? P3 is there, right? Here, what? P3 is there. Good. So these three data is stored now. Okay. So another one, what? 3 employee also there now. So what employee? Let's create what? Employee.
Employee E1 equal to.
Yes. Employee E1 equal
E1
to
equal to
new employee, right? New employee. Okay. Okay. So here, what is? Okay, so actually from my home, people are calling. Okay, morning onward today, I did not talk to my mom. Na? She's calling. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay, so here, what is that? See this. Employee one is there, right? Employee one. Okay, so name is what? Name is what now, guys? Padma, right?
Padma.
Padma. Okay, so here designation is what? Developer, right?
Yes.
Developer. And what is that here? So
P1.
her profile is what? P1.
P1.
Okay. P1. So here we will pass the P1 now. Okay. I will show that problem also, guys. Okay. Now good. So copy this one. P only. What is that? Paste it. Here, what is that? P2. Employee 2. Another employee. This is the 2. Second and Sudhir, right?
Sudhir.
Sudhir. Okay. Sudhir. And what is that? Sudhir is a business analyst, right?
Yes.
Business analyst. And what is that? What is the P2? His profile is what? P2. Okay. Good. Another one is what now, guys? Employee third. Employee third, right? Employee third. And here, what is that? Third employee. Here, Satish. Here, Satish, right? And what is that? QA. QA, right? And what is the profile now? P3. Okay. All profile we wrote now. Okay. So what is that? Here, employee repository, right? Here, what? Employee repository is there now. Okay. Paste it and what? Save. Okay, save here. What is that? E1. Okay, E1 profile I'm saving now. Here what? E2. E2 is there, and here what is that? E3 is there now. Okay, fine now, guys. So shall we run the application and we can see what is our result or not? Result, guys?
Yes. Yes, please go ahead.
What about others? Please show your excitement, yaar.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi, please go ahead.
Yes, Ravi, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So here, what is that? Runner, right? Come here. Okay. What about Padma? Padma is not given the response.
I gave you, but everybody got mixed up. Thank you.
Right click. Now run. And what is that? Run the Sting application.
You are giving me 15 lakh salary, then I am excited.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's observe it now, guys. 1-to-1 table is there. There is no table, right? Come on.
Yes.
Notable.
Yes,
And
sir.
not there.
Now
Not there.
Refresh.
how many tables are there now, guys? Two tables.
Now it is
Two.
tables.
Two
Okay.
Now
tables.
Employee profile.
open the employee table. How many data is there now, guys? 3 or not? Okay, 1,
data.
2, 3. And Padma developer, and what is that? See, foreign key is what? 10. And what is that profile? Foreign key will become profile. What is that primary key will become foreign key or not in the employee table, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
yes,
Ravi.
So
Yes,
based
yes,
on this
yes.
foreign key, we can understand her profile or not.
yes.
Yes, Ravi. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So means what is that? One information is there in the table. That information will become in the employee table. Foreign key means based on that foreign key, we can understand what is the profile of Padma or not. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
we can
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Understand.
But one thing, see guys here, what is that foreign key is what? Unique word 1010. If we try to store duplicate foreign key, then our application will not run. Okay, it will throw the error. 1 minute, I will show that problem. Okay, I will show that problem. So here, what I'm going to do now. So just think about that. Padma also P1 profile is there, and I'm going to give what is that? Sudhir also same profile. P1. If I run the application now, this application will kick us. See this? Because why? Because the 1-to-1 in the 1-to-1, what is that? Foreign key is the unique now, guys.
Unique. We can't store duplicate.
See this? What error we are getting now, guys? See this?
Yes, yes.
We are getting the error or not? See, read the error. Could not, right? Could not execute statement. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will show the error, right? See here, what is that? See the
Constraint
application.
violation.
Failed to execute command line runner, and what is that? Illegal statement, right? Illegal statement is showing that. What is that? 1 minute. Exact here. What is that?
Duplicating tree.
1-to-1 application is what is that? 1-to-1 application, right? 1 minute. Error we will observe it now, guys.
Data integrity violation.
See this. I'm refreshing now. Okay, I'm refreshing now. This is the old data now, guys. Okay, see this. This is the old data. Our application is not able to perform. So here, what is that? Okay, 1 minute. I will delete it only. I will delete it. Drop the table, right? I'm dropping the table now. Okay, I'm dropping the profile also. See this. There is no table inside that. What is that? 1-to-1 now, guys. Come on.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
there.
Okay, table will
Not
create,
there.
but data will not store, guys. After running the application, table will create, but data will not store. Now see this. See this error we are getting now. Come here, let's refresh it. Two table is created now, but there is no data. Why? Only one data is there. Okay, one data Padma is there. After then, what is that? We are getting the exception now. See, child table, all data is came now, guys. Okay, but what is that? Parent table, see that only one record is there. After then, what is that? Our application is becoming
Got
free
stuck.
to inject the data, right? To inject the data, because
Yes.
of that, other data is not coming now. Come on, clear it, guys. Means what is that?
Yes.
In
Yes,
the
Clear,
Yes,
Ravi. Clear.
Yes,
sir.
yes, Ravi. Clear it is.
the
But
table
Ravi,
is
can you
there.
change it to?
Yeah. Now, okay. So what change if you want to store the data as what is that duplicate also? Then what you have to do now?
Duplicate data.
Many to one. Many
Uh,
to one.
no. In the 1-to-1 only, if you just do this one, right? Just remove unique.
Unique.
Remove
Unique, you will
it.
retrieve.
If you remove the unique, now run the
It
application. Your
will
application.
treat as many to one.
Then it will treat as what? Many to one.
Many to one.
Hmm.
Now application will run smoothly, guys, and data will also store now. See.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
no.
still we have given the annotation as 1-to-1 only, no? So will that work?
Yes. Okay. Here, because of that, yeah, good. 1-to-1 we given, right? We given what is that? If 1 to many to 1 give here, what is that?
Many.
Many to one.
Yeah,
Many
many
to
to
one.
1. You have to give the annotation here, and what you have to do now?
Many to one.
Ravi,
It's
Ravi,
wrong.
many to one. Many to
What's
one.
the annotation? Many to many. Yeah.
Yes. Now run the application. Okay. Now run the application. It will run smoothly now. But this one is what? Many to one means what is that? Here, what is that? Duplicate also allowed now in the foreign key. Hey, why it's giving the error now? I don't know.
We need to delete the data.
No, omit. 1 minute. I will check the database.
Ravi, I think unique equal to true mentioned.
Sorry.
Unique equal to true mentioned.
No need.
Sorry,
No
sir.
need.
Sorry, sir.
Something cache problem is there. 1 minute. I will refresh the application now. Here, that annotation also will work, guys. Okay. What is that? 1 to 1 to many I'm taking, right? Sorry, 1 to 1 only. 1 to 1 only I'm taking the annotation. It will work. Some cache problem is there, guys. Wait. Refresh the application. Clean the project.
Ravi, like how many to one will work when we keep 1 to 1 as an annotation?
Sorry.
No, we have kept the annotation as 1 to 1. No? So how many to 1 when?
I will show that. Don't worry. It's a still project here. I will show that. Don't worry, Sudhir. I will show that. That one
Okay,
also will work. Okay. Illegal state. Okay. It's showing. Oh, 1 minute.
I think you have to drop database.
No. The problem is, the here. Okay. Here, come here. The problem, you people know that what is the problem now, guys?
I think
IDs
duplicate
are
key
usable.
by employee ID.
No.
Again, you are inserting the same
Already
ID.
our
That's it.
application is, see, 1 minute. Our application is not dropping the table. Okay. And what is that?
Yes.
And here come in the application profile. And what we
Yes,
are
Content
taking?
file.
Update.
Here create. Take the create.
Create robots.
Okay. Now run the application and we will see that observe the console and everything will work as expected now, guys. Okay. So here, what is that? 1 to 1. Everything is the experience now, guys. When our experience will increase, everything will become what is that easy now. If we doing the hard work. See this here, what I'm taking now? 1 to 1 I'm taking now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
And here, what I'm going to take? Unique.
Unique. True.
1 minute, guys. My computer is hanging. Okay. Unique equal to true. I'm making true, right? Okay. So here, what is that? Yeah. See this? What I'm going to do now? First, what we will do now? Normal application. See that 2 I'm taking, right? 2 only I'm taking now. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do now? Here, the employee is there. Huh? Right click means our application will work smoothly, guys. Okay. See this? There is no error on the console because based what is the expectation is there in the application that is working like what is it perfect.
No duplicates are there.
Yeah, no issue. Okay, so come here. This is the right. Now refresh it. 2 table is created, right? Now view the data. See 3 data is there, right? And everything is unique only, right? Come on, yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, no
yes,
duplicates.
yes.
are
See
there.
this?
Yes,
Unique.
yes.
Foreign key is unique, na? Foreign key is unique
Yes.
10, 11, 12, na?
1, 12. Yeah, duplicate is not.
There is no
Duplicate not
duplicate.
allowed.
Duplicate is not
Yes.
there. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I want to store the duplicate, right? I want to store the duplicate. What is that? Foreign key. So come here. So here what we will do now? Profile 1 only. We will take 2 time. 2 in the 2
P1.
profile. Okay. Okay. So then if we run that application, then we will get what is that error. Now let's run the application.
Yeah. Now it's getting error.
No duplicates key allowed.
Okay, good. So we are getting the error. What is that? See the SQL integrity constraint violation, right? Duplicates, read duplicate in tree 10 2 times means what
10.
is that?
Yes.
For key UK foreign key. This is the ID number, guys. Okay. Now
ID.
come,
Yes, yes.
come here. Now refresh it. Okay. Now see view the data. What is that? Only one data is stored after then where
Only one
another
entry there.
Satish means what is that? Duplicate means what? From there onward, our application is what becoming fail
Okay,
because of that other data is not came. Means what is that? In the parent table, duplicate foreign key is not allowed.
Not
Guys.
allowed. Yes.
Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
What about
Yes.
another?
We have removed the unique equal to true, no?
1 minute. I will show that, Sudhir. And but what is that? Child table data is all child table data is stored now. But is what? Whenever our Spring Data JP is trying to store the what is that parent data and mapping, whenever our Hibernate started to mapping those what is that both table, then first time it's checking that okay 10 ID means what is that all data came, but after then what is that our application becoming what fail. So what is that other data is not came in the table. Now if you want to store all data, okay, as well as what duplicate also, then what you have to do now, just go inside that what is that?
92
Employee, right? Employee, no, not required that one. Okay, 1 minute I will tell. So okay, just remove the unique, right? Just what you have to do now, remove the unique. When you will remove the unique, right, our application will start to what this, even you are using what is that 1-to-1 annotation now, still our application will start to be having what is that many to one, and a duplicate will store it now. Now let's run the application and we will see.
Okay.
Now run the application. Okay, guys. Just I removed what is that unique na. Come on the
Yes.
Unique
come
equal to true remove only.
now see this all data is same or not, and even duplicate also 10 in the foreign key 10 2 time is same or not. So there
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
means
Yes,
this,
sir.
but what is that? This behaving like what many to one.
Many to one.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
In the many to one, what is that? In the what? In the parent table, what duplicate foreign key also allowed now.
Yes.
Got
Yes,
the
sir.
point?
Clear.
Profile.
Yes, clear.
Yes. Yes.
Clear, Ravi. Clear.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, yes.
Yes.
So now, guys, multiplicity we completed now.
Yeah.
Now you people are confident about the one association mapping now, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Pretty
Ravi.
much.
Confident.
Hmm?
Yes, Ravi. Very confident.
Yes. Confident.
Do
Yeah,
the practice.
got the clarity also, difference between all these associations.
Okay,
I
guys.
think
So,
Ravi now.
yes.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
I think Ravi no need now Hibernate.
Your explanation made it very clear, Ravi. The examples you have taken are really very good.
That is the matter, guys. Okay, we are study the things. Okay, if we be able to implement those things based on that reality, right? And everyone can understand that is the presentation also more important than what is that knowledge.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes,
because you know the what is that like what is that word is seeing the presentation.
Yes, all you have taken real-time examples, so it is very clear.
Yes. It's all about practice, Sudhir, nothing more than else. Okay, guys, so good. So now our next level discussion, let's deep dive in the discussion. What is that? Okay, let's see that. Okay. Let's see that what is that, what concept is there now. What is that fetch type?
Joins.
Fetch type. Another one is what? Cascading.
Joins.
Cascading. Another one is what? Cascading. Another one is what? Bidirectional. Bidirectional, right? These concept, let's see that. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Yeah, joins,
Yes.
Ravi. Joins.
Yes,
Joins.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, bidirectional. Okay, so what is the fetch type, guys? Okay, let's understand what is the fetch type. Okay, fetch type means what? Fetch type means what, guys? Okay, if the table is there between two, the relation, right? Between the relation, anyone can take. Okay, let's take 1 to 1 only, right? This one only, this application only. Let's take it. Okay, this application only. Let's take it. Okay, so what is there now, guys? What is there now? So whenever we will fetch the data, means what is that fetching time? At the fetching time, what is that selecting time? Selecting time, what? If the table is there, what? If the table is there in the relation, right? Where? Okay, explanation. One to one, just be completed now. Let's take on that one. So good. So fetch type, right? Fetch type. Okay. If fetch type is eager, there are two possibilities there in the fetch type. Eager and what is that? Eager and what? Eager,
Lazy. Lazy.
eager and what is that? Lazy.
Lazy.
Lazy, right? Eager and what? Lazy. There are two possibilities there in the fetch type, guys. Okay. Means what is that? Eager means what? Whenever we will select the data information, right? Whenever we will select the Padma information using what is that? Padma information, as well as what is that? As well as what is that? Her child table record also will come. Her child record means what is that? Whatever record is connected with that, right? So if we want to select, so this is the at the time of, if we are selecting the, like what is that, employee table details, right? As well as what, child table also details, if we are getting, that is called what is that? Eager. Eager, right? Eager. But what is that? If the property is what? Lazy now, right? Lazy now. So whenever we will select, we will not get child information, guys. Just we will get what is that? Parent table information. That is called what? Lazy. That is called what? Lazy now. Okay, so I will show that as a practical. We will see that, guys. Okay, as a practical we will see that. Okay, this is nothing but what is that? Fetch type. Fetch type is what? Two in the fetch type, two possibilities there. What is that? Eager and what? Lazy now. Okay, lazy now. So what is that? Okay, good. So the question is, guys, okay, question is what? One question interviewer question will ask. If you sit in the interview, if interviewer is what? Little bit what? Experienced person in the Hibernate, right? So the interviewer, which 1 minute, WITCH, right? Which one is what? Which one is what is that? Default. What is that? Default type. Eager or what? Lazy.
Eager.
Lazy.
Eager.
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 Everyone.
Eager.
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 Okay, I know that I will get like this. No, guys, no. Okay, so if how many type of our relation is there? Association relation now, collection and what? Non-collection. What is that? Non-collection, right? How many type? Two type, right? If what is that? Parent table, right? If the one to one relation is there, then what is that? Eager will be there, right? Eager will be there. Okay. And after then what is that? After then what is that? Many to one, right? Many to one is there. Many to one is there. Then eager is there. Eager is there. Oh, sorry. This is the collection, non-collection. Okay, collection. Okay, if collection is there, right? If collection, just think about, because already we wrote na here collection. If what is that? Many to many, one to many, and the many to many is there. Then what is that? What is that? By default, lazy will be there.
Lazy.
Lazy will be there, right? Lazy will be there. I will show that. Lazy will be there. If what is that? If the table is there in the, what is that? 1 to 1, 1 to 1, right? Then what is that? By default is what? Eager. 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 Now guys, got it? If interviewer will ask, definitely if the interviewer is what? Good in what? Hibernate. Come on, yeah, everyone become silent. What?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
Ravi.
sorry.
Okay, I will show it, guys. Okay, practically I will show it. Don't worry. Okay, because
Yes,
still
yes, sir.
concept is there, right? If what is that? If the multiplicity is there, what is that? Collection based, right? Then by default is what? Lazy. We have need to make what is that fetch type as what? What is that? Eager. If we want to select both. If multiplicity is there, what is that? Like what? Non-collection. Then what is that? Eager will be there. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So fetch type. Okay. So what we will do now? So just one application we completed now, guys. Okay, one application. Okay. So we will observe the query only, right? We will observe the query, right? Query. So what I'm going to do now? Okay, I'm opening the employee. Employee is what is that? Okay. So just what is that? By default? By default is what? 1 to 1 is there. Then which right? Which relation is there now, guys? Come on. You want to see that? I'm opening the
Eager.
implementation.
Eager.
This is the by default eager only, right? So I'm opening the its implementation. This annotation implementation. I will show that. Okay, guys. 1 minute. What is the fetch type, guys?
Default eager.
Default is what?
Eager. Eager.
And
Default
what
is
is the
zero.
annotation? What is the annotation? What is the
1 to 1.
annotation? And
One
1
to
to
1
1.
to 1.
1 to 1 is comes
1 to
under what?
1.
1 to 1 is comes under
Eager
Non-collection.
Non-collections.
collection type.
So,
No.
whatever I told, that one is the correct or right or wrong, guys?
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Correct on.
Correct, right? Okay. So now fine.
Yes.
Good. Okay. So what is the, okay, just annotation only. See that at the rate, what is that? Many to many, right? I'm taking what is that? Many to many. I'm taking what is that? This annotation. Many to many. Okay. So this annotation is comes under collection based and non-collection based, guys.
Collection based.
Collection
Collection based.
So now what explanation I given just now? If the collection based, then what is the by default now?
Lazy.
Lazy.
Okay, so I will show that. I'm opening its implementation. Means what is that? Implementation. This annotation implementation now. See that, guys. Okay, now this is the many to many annotation now. It's implementation, right? So here, what is the fetch type is what, guys?
Lazy.
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 Now, whatever
Lazy.
explanation I given, that is the correct or right or wrong, guys?
Absolutely correct.
Correct only.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay, because if the interviewer is the experienced person, right? See, people will think about that. Hey, I given the correct answer. Why is this worst fellow is not selecting me? So think about that. If I'm taking the interview just by asking this kind of questions, I can catch the person around how much knowledge is there that person.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi, sir.
So I know that the by default people is saying that this is the because so many in interview, whenever I'm taking the interview in my company, right, definitely I'm asking this question. If the person is saying that "Yeah, I know the Hibernate,"
And you usually catching that people.
sorry,
Usually catching that people.
yeah. So this is the experience, guys. Okay, experience as well as what analysis. The people having the experience also, the people know that. But I shown the implementation, who is the given by Hibernate people, all right? Implementation also I shown to you people, right? Okay, good. So now from here onward, if you people will sit in the interview, if anybody asks, you people able to give the answer or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, okay, guys. So see that employee is there, right? This is the employee is there, right? By default is the one-to-one is there. Means what is that? Eager only, right? Eager only. Good. So
Yes, he got.
what I'm going to do now, just I'm writing one more run. Already everything is there. Just test runner I'm writing. What is that? Test runner. Okay. So what is that? Test runner. Test runner, right? Now finish it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now? Implement what?
Command line runner.
Implement what is command line runner now. Okay.
Runner.
Command line runner. And what is that? @component.
Component.
@component. Okay. So here what I'm going to do now, Alt Shift S plus B. Now I'm overriding the method now. So here what I'm going to do now, guys, here put
Repository. Employee repository.
private. What is that? Private what? Employee
Employee
repository.
repository.
Employee repository.
Employee repository. Only employee repository only need to fetch the data because it's eager na. It's eager, so no need to take the. So what is that? EMP REP. eRepo. eRepo, right? eRepo. Okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now, guys, eRepo.
Repo. Find all.
Good. Who is that?
Mayank here.
Okay. Find by ID. We will select one record only, right? Find all. If we take all record will come. Okay. So we need to select only one record based on the ID. If we want to select the only one record, what we have need, guys? ID only, right?
And right, yeah, ID.
Right.
Okay. So what is that? eRepo dot. What is that?
Find all.
Find by ID. Find by ID method.
Yeah.
Yes.
Find by
ID.
find by
ID.
ID, right? And
Yes, find
here,
by.
what is that? I want to select what
That's the
record now,
person.
guys? One record, right? What is that? Padma, na?
One.
First, okay. So let's select it. What is the first record? I'm selecting now, okay. And this
Right.
one will return what is that? Employee object.
Employee.
Yes.
Employee E, right? Employee E. Okay, good. We are getting this one. Mismatch cannot convert optional
You
employee.
have to change to optional employee.
Oh, good. Here what we will take now, guys? Optional, right? So here we will take the .get method. Okay. Now it will convert, right? This out. This out.
E.
And take the DAN. Done, right? Done. Sorry. Okay, done. We will observe the query, guys. Okay, we will observe the query. Okay, so here what is that? Come here and this one, run the application. join concept, who don't know, just next our discussion is joins only, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. Failed to command line runner, what is it? Illegal
How to write?
expression, null pointer
To
expression.
command line we are running.
Sorry.
How to write? Very poor.
Oh, very very
Runner also required now for
good.
running the
Good. Oh, good.
Auto wired.
Good. Now run the application. Observe it, guys.
Done. We didn't
Done.
print employee object.
Yeah, this one is
Yes.
select operation. This is the right. I'm copying this. 1 minute.
Profile also.
Copy this one. Notepad.
Join
1 minute.
left out.
Select employee. EID. Designation.
Employee name.
Employee name. 1 minute. EID. Don't worry. Remove this one. Okay. Remove
Yes.
this one. Remove this one. Okay. Here, what is that? Foreign key. As this one. Remove this one and see this from here onward, right? Profile PID. Remove this. Profile key code. Okay. Now remove this.
Experience.
Package as a package from employee, right? Okay. Now left join concept. Don't bother about, guys. Okay. Just I will explain it. Okay. Just see that two table data is coming or not. That is our okay. Profile. This one is removed. Where employee ID is what? Employee ID is a question mark or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see, okay, see this select employee EID, designation and e-name. Okay, foreign key profile. Then here, what is that? What is the table name? Another one is what? Foreign key. What is that? PID, profile ID, profile code, and profile experience and profile package. From what is that? Employee, what is that? Left outer join, and what is that? Profile, profile P, sorry, profile, what is that? P foreign key. Here employee was there, right? Employee.